welcome to Gordon Guitar. Rema, heard of him? Of course you have. If you listen to this channel, we will have Rema more in the future as well. So this one is called Wine. All right, so let's start this with capo on second, and we'll see if we can handle the wine here. So capo on second, and let's take a look at the chords. First we have A minor. That is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Then we have this GB chord. So that is second on A, open D, open G, third on B, and open E. Then we have F, that's a bar chord. You place a bar here on the first fret over all strings, and then the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. We have the D minor 7, so that is open D, second G, first B, and first E. And I bar the last two strings here with my index finger over this last B and E first frets, right? You could do it like this as well, but it's a little bit harder, a little bit comfy there, so yeah, that's how I do it. And then the final chord will be E minor 7. Very easy. Just have the second on the A string. Everything else, all strings are open from E to E. All right, so there you have the different chords. So yeah, before we go into chord and how many times we're gonna play everything, we're gonna look at the strumming pattern. So if you grab the first chord, that will be A minor, and then you have the strumming, which will be down, up, clap, down. So you have first down and then a short break, and then comes up, clap, down. Like this. Down, up, clap, down. That is one round. So the chord progression will be A minor, one strumming round, then GB, one, and then F2. Then you play the D minor one, the E minor one, and F2. So A minor 1, GB 1, F2, D minor 1, E minor 1, and F2. A little bit slower, like this. Standard. Yeah, anyway, that's how you play Wine from the beginning till the end. So good luck with this one, guys, and play tuned.